Assalamualaikum everyone. This is video lecture 6 of computer playlist. So let us start. Question number 1. What is the file extension of a PowerPoint presentation? Options are a.docx, b.xlsx, c.pptx or d.html. So the correct answer is option c.pptx. Question number 2. Which key is used to start a slideshow in PowerPoint? Options are A. F1, B. F5, C. F7 or D. F9. So the correct answer is option B. F5. Question number 3. Which tab contains the option to add a new slide? Options are A. Home, B. Insert, C. Design or D. View. So the correct answer is option A. Home. Question number 4. What is the shortcut key to duplicate a slide? Options are A. Control plus D, B. Control plus C, C. Control plus X or D. Control plus V. So the correct answer is option A. Control plus D. Question number 5. Which feature allows you to apply the same design to all slides? Options are A. Animation, B. Slide master, C. Transitions or D. Layout. So the correct answer is option B. Slide master. Question number 6. In PowerPoint, which view is used for organizing the order of slides? Options are A. Slide sorter view, B. Notes page view, C. Normal view or D. Reading view. So the correct answer is option A. Slide sorter view. Question number 7. What is the use of slide transition in PowerPoint? Options are A. To add animation to text, B. To control how one slide changes to the next, C. To format slide layout or D. To insert audio or video. So the correct answer is option B. To control how one slide changes to the next. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint view? Options are A. Slideshow view, B. Outline view, C. Reading view or D. Data view. So the correct answer is option D. Data view. Question number 9. Which tab contains the option to change the background color of slides? Options are A. View, B. Slideshow, C. Design or D. Insert. So the correct answer is option C. Design. Question number 10. What is the default orientation of slides in PowerPoint? Options are A. Portrait, B. Landscape, C. Square or D. Vertical. So the correct answer is option B. Landscape. Question number 11. Which feature in PowerPoint allows you to add speaker notes to slides? Options are A. Notes pane, B. Comment pane, C. Animation pane or D. Outline pane. So the correct answer is option A. Notes pane. Question number 12. Which file format is used to save a presentation as a slideshow that cannot be edited? Options are A. .pptx, B. .pdf, C. .ppsx or D. .html. So the correct answer is option C. .ppsx. Question number 13. Which of these is not a PowerPoint transition effect? Options are A. Fade, B. Wipe, C. Spin or D. Zoom. So the correct answer is option C. Spin. Question number 14. Which tool in PowerPoint helps you rearrange slides in a specific order? Options are A. Slide sorter view, B. Notes view, C. Animation pane or D. Format painter. So the correct answer is A. Slide sorter view. Question number 15. What is the use of the Smart Art feature in PowerPoint? Options are A. To create complex animations, B. To add professional looking diagrams and charts, C. To edit slide layouts or D. To design slide backgrounds. So the correct answer is option B. To add professional looking diagrams and charts. Question number 16. Which view is ideal for preparing notes for a presentation? Options are A. Slideshow view, B. Normal view, C. Notes page view or D. Slide sorter view. So the correct answer is option C. Notes page view. Question number 17. What is the default view when you open a new PowerPoint presentation? Options are A. Slide sorter view, B. Notes view, C. Normal view or D. Slideshow view. So the correct answer is option C. Normal view. Question number 18. Which option allows you to view all slides in a PowerPoint presentation at once? Options are A. Slideshow view, B. Normal view, C. Slide sorter view, or D. Reading view. So the correct answer is option C. Slide sorter view. Question number 19. Which key is used to start the slideshow from the beginning? Options are A. F5, B. F12, C. Shift plus F5, or D. Control plus F5. So the correct answer is A. F5. Question number 20. What happens when you press the ESC key during a PowerPoint slideshow? Options are A. It starts the slideshow from the beginning. B. It ends the slideshow and returns to the normal view. C. It pauses the slideshow. Or D. It increases the slide transition time. So the correct answer is option B. It ends the slideshow and returns to the normal view. यह हमने आप लोगों के लिए कुछ शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाए हैं. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके इन शॉर्ट नोट्स को पढ़ सकते हो. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.